One road leads to Ronkelan Waterfall and the other one leads to Ronkelan Viewpoint.
Hello lang ma.
Hello, hello.
Kalang di. This is a Zoom cultivation. Waterfall is over there. Now just look at this view, man. It's pretty stunning. I'm sweating heavily because of hiking. This is the beautiful valley of Nilip. Balaghat district is clearly visible from here. It's heavily raining out there on that side. This is our Karbi traditional farmhouse. This is the Ronkelan Waterfall.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going for hiking to Ronkelan Viewpoint, and right now I'm standing at the Ronkelan picnic spot. You see behind me there are two tiny roads leading to two different destinations. One road leads to Ronkelan Waterfall and the other one leads to Ronkelan Viewpoint. We can enjoy the panoramic view when we make it to the vantage point. Let me show you what we have here. This is the Ronkelan picnic spot, and this shelter built here is specially made for people coming for picnic. If you're planning to come to Ronkelan for picnic, these are the accommodation we have here for you. You don't need to pay fees for using those shelter. It's free of cost. These three canopy are completed and one shelter is still under construction for sanitation purpose. There is a river stream over there which is a perfect place for picnic.
Now we are going to see the Ronkelan Viewpoint. Hello lang ma.
Hello, hello.
Kalang di. Ito. You see, this is a rice farming. This is a Zoom cultivation. You see how people are doing Zoom cultivation in this place. This place is very inclined, but you see how do they do it. This journey is going to be tiresome, but it will be fruitful. I have two other friends also, Senglong and Harson, and they are going to lead me today. Harson used to visit this place oftenly, but for me this is my first time. Oh. You cannot bring your motorcycle or any other vehicle. You have to come on foot because the road is very narrow. They are saying that it will take only 20 or 25 minutes. For me it will take more than 20 or 25 minutes, but if you are a regular hiker then it will take only few minutes for you. It's kind of boring inside my room, so today I decided to come out from my room and explore this beautiful place. I'm so tired, man. I'm so dead. The view here is amazing. This is the beauty of Karbi Anglong. People reserve this place for farming. It's so green. Hello, ma. They are also tired. They are taking rest for some time. So continue na ma. Let's continue. Oh, it's very dangerous. They are very strong. They have gone too far and they left me behind. Nalo. Oh. Before hiking I have told you about waterfall. So waterfall is over there. I can see it clearly from here. ওদিকে নাই যাবে, सीधा যাবে।
ওদিকে টাইগার আছে,
ওদিকে টাইগার আছে, বাঘ আছে ওদিকে।
ওদিকে বাঘ আছে রে। ले लो
Oh, about to reach.
enjoy Moli moli.
This is a black pepper. Let's keep going. Look at this place. This road is very inclined, but we keep on hiking. And just look at this farm beside the road. It's very beautiful. There is the viewpoint. Now just look at this view, man. It's pretty stunning. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, my body is all wet. I'm sweating heavily because of hiking. I'm so tired also. My volume is going low. Behind me is a beautiful scenery of Chukiola town. And just look at this place. I will show you. These are all betel nut farm. Betel nut cultivation is very famous in Karbi Anglong. This is an Inglong Ikpi range. Oh, the view from here is amazing. Ponglangso River is also clearly visible from here. In Assamese we call it Kalioni River. Before we move on to our next spot, I want to show you one thing. This is the beautiful valley of Nilip, and if you see on my far right, then Golaghat district is clearly visible from here. You see all these plain areas, it's Golaghat district, and Dhansiri river is also clearly visible from here. And if we look straight, then it's Numurligarh refinery. It's clearly visible from here. So that's it. Today we are also planning to visit Rongkhelan waterfall also. So after spending some time, we are going to move there. It's not far from here. It will take only 20 to 25 minutes from here walking. Now I'm going to the other side of this viewpoint, and from there I want to show you the mountain ranges of Sariuti, Borangso, Borpung and all. Now I'm going on the cliff of that rock. Oh man. These are the mountain ranges of Sareuti, Borangso, Borpung and Tarapung as well. And it's very cloudy today. It's raining over there. As you can see, the cloud is pouring from above. It's so windy out here! Woo! Whoa! Let me show you something. You see, it's heavily raining out there on that side, but on this side it is completely dry. The wind is blowing fiercely. Take shelter on that farmhouse. When we arrive here, it's very hot and sunny, but now it's cloudy and windy. The weather changed in just a few minutes. Before we move on to the waterfall, I'm going to show you our traditional farmhouse.
What we are showing you right now is our Karbi traditional farmhouse. Farmhouse like this one is made from bamboo because bamboo is available in tropical region, and most people like to build this type of farmhouse in slightly elevated position from the ground with split bamboo or flattened bamboo. Split bamboo design is mostly seen and used in South Asian regions where bamboo is cut into small sections, split and flattened by chopping with a knife to create flexible strips. These strips are used to construct temporary structures like farmhouses, huts, fences, and even walls. The roof is very inclined and it is made from the leaves of fan leaf palm, which keeps the farmhouse cool in hot climate.
Now we are heading towards Rongkhelan waterfall. This is a geo tower erected on this place.
Wow.
Wow. They are cultivating bananas, betel nut, cassava. So karlu lo hai. Ada langsung lah ibu. The water is so fresh. You see this?
Crystal clear.
Wow. Thành thế bộ hả? Thế lang mà. He's the owner of this farm. Da, mà prao na tụi mình nữa. God bless Karbi Anglong. The beauty of this place is next level. Còn phía năng đó, sáng nay luôn. Cái sáng quá hả? Ồ. Hàng thế. Look at that. Look at this view. Whoa. Okay, this whole day I am dedicating only for adventure. Let me check my time. It's 2:22 p.m. and we are still hiking. The temperature drops when you reach at this point. Oh, I have to be very careful. It's all bamboo tickets only. At this gigantic tendril, oh, it's very strong. This is a wild plant in the form of tendril. In search of waterfall, we arrived at some other place. We lost our way. This is the way. We finally found it. Oh. Lechiloma, we have finally arrived at the spot. Whoa, it's so gorgeous. So this is the Ronkelan waterfall. Whoa, this is the step here. After spending few hours of walking, we have finally reached at the spot. Today it's too hot also and I am sweating excessively. So now we are going to take bath and we will head back home. I will keep all my belongings here and I will go there to take bath. Very slippery here. Oh, he's busy taking selfie. Woo!
That's the beauty of Carvela.
The current is a bit high here, so we cannot move further and it's very slippery also. At the end, it was a fruitful day. We have achieved what we have planned. So now we are heading back home. Today was pretty amazing. I'm really satisfied with what we have done today. It's pretty exciting. I have collected a lot of footage for this vlog, so I will keep this video up to here. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up and feel free to write comments and share this video with your friends and families. So till then, stay safe, stay fit, and I'll see you in the next vlog.